audio was turned off when I did the tornado siren videos. When I did those other two today, I'm very sorry for that. Please make up for this, so I will actually do one more for with my audio on this time, so I can make up what I did. Okay. Well, guys, the tornado siren will go off during this whole video, and my friend Max in the last roleplay, he deleted it. He deleted one of the sirens. It's fine. I can probably replace it. He's trying to make it all organized. I really hope that I can hear the tornado siren now. You guys should be able to hear now. Don't worry, the audio was turned off because I did a let me guess. I did a that little movie and I turned off the audio for it, so that's why I forgot to turn it back on. So please forgive me. That thing's getting a lot of views though, but you guys might eat the chat. But I'm very sorry for that. Please do not believe from down. That was by my mistake. I forgot to do that. But I will. But this video is for a sorry for the audio off in that tornado video. I'm very sorry. I hope you guys can forgive me. I didn't know that happened. And this is taking a while. Okay, then. So we are back, and today we'll actually hear the tornado siren up and close. Okay? Okay, guys, I will do the tornado siren roleplay. I will take it off FNAF and Bloxburg, because those are not really FNAF and Bloxburg. I'll take off the playlist, okay? For FNAF and Bloxburg. I'll do that after I'm done recording this, okay? Hope you guys can forgive me, but new play series, yeah. I did the sorry on the video. Hope you guys can forgive me. Because that was probably my last, and this is taking a while. Why is it taking this while? Oh. Okay. I'm yellow. Is my tornado siren still there though? Oh wait, he sealed it off. Why did he seal it off? Yeah, Max removed the door for the tornado siren. So I need to put that back. Because somebody removed that door. And I probably know who did it. That's right. He just moved it. Okay. Thank God. Let's turn this bad boy on and you guys can finally hear it up close. Because I'm very sorry that you guys didn't hear any audio, any of that. If I get 100 dislikes on that video, I will absolutely delete that video. Please like the video. If I get 1,000 likes and 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2025, I will go back with all the no audio videos and I will actually record it with me doing the audio if I remember. If I hit 1,000 subscribers, I would do that. I'm not kidding. I was joking. I will actually fix I will fix that, only that video, if I reach 100 subscribers. I meant to say 100, not 1,000. Before the end of 2025 or 2021. Okay, let's hear this thing fire up. You ready, boys? There it goes. So tornado warning has been issued. Oh no. I really hate tornado warnings happening right now. The tornado warning has been issued. Give up tornado sirens on, boys. It took me 5 minutes. The power's out. The power's out. There's something weird with the elevator now. Okay, let's start the roleplay. Okay, let's get to the door, boys. You guys can hear the audio now. Start the roleplay. I'll let you guys fill this one up. Oh my. What in the world was happening there? Okay, the truth. This is Tornado 8 has been spotted. There has been 8 tornadoes. Oh my now. There has been 8 tornadoes? This is not good, guys. 8 tornadoes has been spotted. Let me keep track of the tornadoes. There has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tornadoes have been spotted so far. Here's the 8th. It's probably the 9th today. And if you like the tornado sign codes I use, I keep track of them. I think it's time to warn the public, though. Just sit down and let's do that. Okay, I'll meet you back when the warning's sent out to everybody. Oh my, it's very glitchy. Come on, straight. Come on, we gotta go, we gotta go. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Tornado warning to shield. Three tornadoes. Oh no. Come on, go on. So there has been a tornado warning, and the police are going to the spot where people should go. So they're trying to warn everybody with the siren first, and then they're going to do the tornado siren. I got knocked out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Which right? He took my car. Well, we're gonna do this, boys. He took my car. Someone stop this criminal. You haven't robbed them before. You haven't robbed a criminal. You haven't robbed just a river. He took his car and please silence you. He tried to land effects with you. He tried to run and escape, hide. He took you down to his lab bunker. The police were arriving, dying. They were about to leave the station when they heard that guy got the little girl. Look, oh no. I really need to go. We are using the tornado siren to make him. Let's go. He will run all the time. He went to the. The police were turning with it, then he saw coming with a. They saw him. I know my characters think you. I know. Hey guys, please make sure to report him, a person that stole my vehicle, and he just moved. He's gone. Oh no. Oops. Is it bad? The tornado's coming, boys. We don't know how to do this though. Alive. This is bad though. It's in. In my house is covered. Close. Close. It's 3 tornadoes. This is bad, guys. This is real bad. There's 3. Alright. Come on. Come on. There is. Okay, that's about. Well, it's 3 tornadoes. Never knew it was 3. Probably gonna die eventually. But hey, if I don't die, make sure to subscribe. I probably will die eventually though. Three tornadoes have been spotted. It's bad that the 3 tornadoes have been spotted. The camera's looking alright fine. Well, if you guys enjoyed this episode, make sure to like and subscribe to the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the audio. So I'll see you next time. Bye. Editor, I forgot to stop recording. Thanks, editor, for not editing out. I'm the editor. I'm laughing in my editor room right now in the house because Lucas doesn't know that I am goes on. Okay. Bananas for that, boys. Why am I talking to myself? I'm not even recording. Hey, guys, a little fishy over here. Fishies. Fishy. Oh, let me continue. That means it's off limits. That's 1987. Oh my. Oh my. A broken. I had to give just everybody. Okay, turn my sound still going off, and oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. That is creepy. That is such creepy right there. Okay, I'm thinking of ideas so I could scare Max over here. Alright. Can I Money, money, money. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, gosh. I see you. You can. Oh my god. It's real close. About we put a camera and tornadoes are unfolded. Okay. Am I still recording this? I don't think so. Camera, phone, nobody. What's camera 1? Cam 1! Cam 1. Cam 2. Cam 3. Cam 4. Cam 5. Cam 6. Cam 7. Cam 8. Cam 9. Cam 10. Cam 11. Cam 12. Just 12 cameras I find not the readies. Can you survive 5? Can you survive 5? Find us at Freddy's. I see. Postman, I saw anything. Okay. I made no sense of it, but okay, I'll just let people. Just play, I don't care. I'll do that. Wait, am I still recording? Oh no!